What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the shop. Decided to give you all a rundown of what we got going on this week. It's been one of our better weeks. We got about 4 beds on the tables right now. Getting it. We got parts going out, beds going out. Everybody's on lunch right now, so it's nice and quiet in here. Just wanted to let y'all see what we got going on and remind everybody that we still got parts going out. We got beds going out. If you need any ore, just give us a holler. We're starting to get our parts up on the website a lot better. So wheels, tires, lift kits, bumpers, side steps, anything y'all need. Airbags for your rig trucks. Toolboxes that we can custom make right here in house. We got a lot going on, so check it out. This is a bed we got going for the state of Arkansas right now. They got a welding rig. Ford's sitting over there in the other area. Be a little bit different on this one. Definitely show y'all what's up when we get it finished. But a couple tricks on this bed. No gooseneck ball, as y'all can see. And then we got quite a bit of fenders getting cut out. This is what we cut our fenders out of, 2 12-inch long radius 90s. Chop them up. There's a couple more sets over there and more to be cut down there. This is a kit we got going out. This gentleman, he bought this kit quite a while ago. Been very patient with us. He wasn't in a huge hurry for it, but we're a Dodge. I really like this design. It's the first time we've done this tailboard. I really like it. The lights will actually be behind that, so it'll look really cool. And then we got another tack up kit going here. This one's about 70% done. We still got to do some little things and get the fenders on it, get the deck on it, get the gooseneck in it, get our 90s top and bottom in. So, good opportunity to check out some of the new panels that we made. Comes with the roll already rolled into it. As you can see, there's the top and the bottom roll all in one panel. Get rid of quite a bit of the weld. Same with the tailboard, top and bottom roll. This one actually has it all the way around. So that's what we got going on in here. Still got this one going. This one sold within 10 minutes, guys. I put that video up last week and it was gone. So again, if y'all still want a bed, man, get on our list. Our list goes pretty quick. We're getting quite a bit of stuff done. Remember, if you need anything, give us a holler. One-stop shop. Wheels, tires, lift, welding beds, bumpers, side steps. If you need it, we can do it. And if we can't do it, we know somebody that can. So give us a holler. We got a new number, 501-268-RIGGS, R-I-G-Z. Give us a holler, guys. Have a good day.